Look at that. You don't you dare. Don't you dare do this to me all the time. Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. I wasn't able to vlog. We're going to upstate to go to my sister-in-law with my other sister-in-law. We're gonna go right over there, and then after that my sister-in-law will after dinner over there because they're having barbecue, so she will drop me to the house. It is very hot. I did 3 days already. It is crazy, and I have stomach pain. Roxy have a lot of hair balls, like is tangled up behind his ear, and I untangled the other side, but there is a little bit left that I can't untangle it. Like, even though I use this one, I grab it, but it's slowly. I grab the skin side, I grab the skin side, and then I brush the other side, and I pulled it that the skin won't pull up, so I pulled it down, and the hair I pulled it up. So yeah, so I untangled the left side, and then there is a little bit of there. So what I did, I cut it. I have to make sure where is the skin area, and then I cut the hair. It bothers her. I can tell she always do this because the hair is pulling all her skin because they're all together, and then she's happy, guys. She doesn't even go run. She just lie down and let me do it because she know the different. I think she know the different that I help her, you know, get all that pain that she have in his ear. Are you ready for the other side? Oh, sweet. You okay now? What a good girl you are. And beside her, there's still very little left, guys. Like, you can see that, very little. But I'm gonna cut it also. I know, baby, I know. I help you. Look, she is hot. I need to turn the conditioning because I'm hot too. Rox, don't worry, you're not the only one hot. We're leaving soon. The dog loves the air conditioning, guys. Turns on. Oh my God, Thomas.
Really? I'm a baby. I'm crazy!
Is it feels good, Thomas?
Yeah, you are going on.
Hi guys, good night. I know I don't vlog today, and I went to a barbecue party into my sister-in-law's house. It's not really far from where I live, and she dropped me off in my house, and we just get her. I just got here like 10 minutes ago, and I'm lying down because it's already 11 o'clock. But anyway, guys, good night. Good morning, guys. I'm in the bathroom right now. I woke up late. It's 7 o'clock. It's not good, and when I look at the window, it's wet. So it's been raining the whole night. Yeah. Going downstairs. I'm gonna have some breaky. Let me shut the light off here. It is very cold because I turned the air conditioning down last night, and it was very cold. And it is just not even kind of cold. Yeah, it's raining. I put everything here, laptop here. Nice, and it's not raining, but there's no sun. This one here, melted, you can melt the candle right here. For now, and I'll put this candle. I get 2 of this candle. I will use this. The one is used already, so I'll put you over here. That one is, this one is going, it's a heated thing. This one is going to be like hot, and then this one, this candle is going to melt. I'm going to have some coffee and watch the thing. Good morning, all of you guys. And yeah, finally my husband did something. Put it a little bit in there. So anyway, oh, the neighbors. Oh my God. The neighbors, they have the pool already. I mean, they have pool, but they opened it. Nice. I just realized I'm done all this thing, the white stuff. I forgot that this need to be done and the window need to be done also, so I really did forget. This is what we get from Costco, guys. Yeah, how do you call this? The wall insulation, roof and wall insulation. Anyway, I'm just gonna continue what I'm doing in my husband is here, I'm with somebody, and we have a meeting like minutes already. The guy is coming here. It's almost 6 o'clock. I'm sorry about that. I just love playing my hair for no reason. The guy left already, guys. Me and my husband's here. Look at him. Look at him. He bought a, what did you put on us? Faucet because it's rusted in, so.
Not rusted, it's pitted.
What?
It's pitted. Which means
Pitted?
Pitted. So the finish is now pitted, and the actual metal underneath will now rot because the finish is not protecting it anymore because it's pitted.
Okay. And we finally use the glass. Hi Beth, if you're watching, I'm sure you are not watching my vlog. Hey Beth, look, we're using your glass, Beth. You gave this to us in our wedding, Beth. Thank you so much. It's very thick though. I feel very safe for this because it's very thick. So the first who used this one is our visitor. It's a really nice glass. It's very thick. It's water glass or red wine, you know, or white wine. Anything you can put in, or margarita, or ice water, or calamansi. What are you doing in there?
I'm looking for the box for the water.
Oh my God! You bought. That's not yours over there, Tommy. It's all right here, oh? Oh?
That's a camera. Oh. So my question is, where is it?
Where, you know what? You are the one who undo everything.
When you're the one who files everything, it's soft. In a way, it's ugly.
Are you? No. You know what, honey? Don't blame Tommy because you're the only one who do everything here when you're doing it. It's not in the basement.
One thing you know is I don't throw it out.
No, I don't throw anything out. So there you go. It's not under here. I don't even know what you're talking about. Not.
Well, one thing, the instructions for that. Second thing is the chrome water unit for drinking water.
Chrome? What is chrome?
The spout for the drinking water. It came with this.
Hey God.
It's here somewhere. Question is, where did you put it?
Yeah, huh?
That box was in the box. Is it inside out?
Yeah.
So where's my box?
Hi. Crazy. Crazy person. This is the camera. This is the camera. Please. What he's talking about. I don't throw anything out.
Oh, you would have thrown that out.
Yeah, I never throw
But
anything
it's here
out.
somewhere, but it's where you want to go. Because it's in the way, it's on the counter. Oh, you.
Let's go to the basement. We can't even walk in here because there's so many crap in here. So just walk through here. It's crazy guy. Ah, it's so freaking cold in here, hun.
Brr.
Oh, it's leaking, oh. Why you open the refrigerator?
Yeah. Oh, it could be here. No, these are the extra filters.
Look at that. You don't you dare. Don't you dare do this to me all the time. Like blame me for no reason. It's leaking your water over there.
What are you talking about?
Yeah. Did you put, where are you gonna put the chlorine, Han? Oh, the chlorine is, this is chlorine. You put water here?
Yeah, of course.
You put water?
Yeah.
This is totally chlorine, Han?
No, it's not totally chlorine. There's only a few drops of chlorine in the water.
Oh, I thought it's, the whole thing is
Bone dry.
chlorine.
No.
Oops.
Who told you that you have to mix water and chlorine?
The inspector. Hun, it's bone dry. There's not a drip anywhere. Nothing, not a drop.
Okay, let's go. I'm just kidding, eh?
Hun, we got lots of stuff still in boxes. Kind of like that auger that's still in the box. Andrea's like, oh, I found this drill in the basement. I said, drill? Yeah, it's still in the box. I said, oh, you mean the auger?
What is auger?
For drilling the holes in the ground with fed posts in.
So, look. Blame me. He just put it downstairs. So, that's what happened when you are very young. Blame the old one.
What?
Am I the only one when you feel something like, when you feel like peeing and then you don't want to go pee and then you're there like hello, it's very nice, hon. I like it,
In the
hon.
corner.
It's
That's why when
very
you're not drinking water, you just do this.
It's very shiny and very
Because this won't
silvery.
be filtered.
No, this one
Only
is filtered.
this, and I'll run a line to the refrigerator for the ice machine.
Is this gonna be much to this one? Let me see, hon.
What about it?
That's more silvery looking and shiny.
Yeah, this is nickel.
Nickel. I like everything about nickel and silvery.
Yeah, well, but this one's it doesn't kind of, it's not nickel. What am I doing? It's what it is.
Yeah. So let's do it. Pancit.
All right.
So what is the deal with that guy, Han? Are you gonna call him if ever you decide?
Well, yeah, he's gonna get me prices. His price was a little high, and I told him that.
You said his price is a little high?
Yeah.
Okay.
This has to go in between the valve, so you have an actual water supply coming off into the filter. But this is not threaded.
Tony, you can't leave. Why not? Who's gonna save us from Richard Wellman and his ballistic snowballs? Look, Angela, if you don't fire me, I got quit. I got. God bless me. I'll give you
You need the D-pad. You don't need it. It's not good for me. It's very low.
Hey, we're not keeping touch. We're not keeping touch.
Oh, yeah. That was it, guys. That's him. He got 6. That was him. You got 6? No, that's it. No, I'm done. So anyway guys, I'm gonna call it a night. It's 11:26 look. And we're gonna lie down soon. And good night guys. And I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Night night.